How to add payee on Woodforest National Bank. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by moving into the official site of Woodforest National Bank. Once you're in here, enter your login credential and then click on Login. Once you've been logged in, it will land you on this page. Now at the very top, you need to move into Pay Bills. At the top left corner, you can see the option of Pay Someone New. Click on it. Now in the right hand side of the page, enter any person or the business. Once you have entered, simply click on Add. Now enter the detailed information of the payee. Enter the name, nickname, account number, zip code, city, state, phone number, and all. Once you have entered all of the information, tap on Confirm at the bottom right corner of the screen. And there you go, the payee has been successfully added to your account. So that's a wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.